What makes you such a great capital raiser, one? And two, what gave you the idea to be a visionary to go across the pond and raise capital for Carlyle?
Well, you could argue that maybe I couldn't get any investors in the United States, so I had to go overseas. No, what happened was I came up with an idea that wasn't going to win a Nobel Prize, but the idea was we could build a private equity firm based in Washington, which was not seen as a capital center. And I could do it by saying we understand companies heavily affected by the federal government better than the guys in New York. But if you were in the mutual fund business, for example, you could have mutual fund A or B or C or D under Fidelity. You have many different opportunities. I thought I could do the same in private equity, have a buyout fund, a venture fund, a growth capital fund, a real estate fund. And the theory was if you liked our brand name, you'd give us a chance and all these other things. And then I decided to globalize it by setting up partnerships in Europe, Asia, Latin America, Middle East, Africa, and so forth. And the key is being polite, knowing what you're talking about, persistence, follow-up is always key, and just trying to have a good track record, too. If you don't have a good track record, you can't sell almost anything.